Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy and today, look, we've got Easter ribbon. We're going to be going through all this ribbon, looking at it, talking about it. Let's get started. We're going to start off with some dots. Let me adjust the screen here, that's better. Some pink dots. Well, actually the white dots, but the pink ribbon. This is an embossed pattern, okay? That means that it's not heat pressed into the ribbon. It sits above the ribbon. You can actually feel it, okay? When you purchase of the ribbon, it comes in 3 yards. When you make a purchase of any of the ribbon, you're gonna get 3 yards for that price. So our first one is a 1 inch pink with dots. Some eggs. What would Easter be without Easter eggs, right? Okay, let's take a look at these. These are really cute. This pattern is really cute. And they're the eggs are like they look 3D. They look like they're sitting above the background. That looks super cool. And let's see, I have some ribbon that I think would go really cute with that. This here, with this orange ribbon, look how it brings out those colors. It brings out that lavender and those pinks. Now this ribbon is available in 1 inch, and then I have the orange, and that's available, and it's got the embossed circles, and that's available in a 7/8. Okay? Alright. Peeps. Let's do some peeps. Now this, in my shop, this is my number one pattern. That my customers just love this. I can't keep it in the shop. This is all I have left of this one. And you've got 5 different, 5 different patterns, 5 different colors before the pattern starts to repeat itself. And this is available in a 1 inch. Okay. Let's do, here's some more circle. Here's a purple, so it's a deep purple. And again, you've got the embossed circles. And this is available in a 1 inch. I've got Disney music playing in the background. My granddaughter, my grandson. Disney. Everything's Disney. As it should be. Okay. Some more peeps. We got bunny peeps this time. We got a whole group here. Whole group of bunny peeps. That is so cute. So very busy pattern. Great for Easter. And this is available in a 1 inch. Some more circles, some pink circles. I've got a really cute ribbon that would go really cute with this. Just a continuous pattern of circles. This is a 7/8, I do believe. Yes, this is a 7/8. And I think that it would go so cute with these bunnies. Little bunny feet, bunny noses. Isn't he cute? He, she, whatever, they. With this ribbon, how cute is that? Super cute. And the bunny ribbon, this is available in this is 1 inch. The bunny ribbon is 1 inch. The dots are 7/8. And again, everything I'm showing you today is already listed and in the shop. And I will leave a link below where you can go straight to the shop. Alright, some more Easter bunnies. Look at how cute. Look at how cute. This guy here, he's got he's trying to carry that tower of eggs. And this one's got, actually, it looks like they're sitting on top of a pile of eggs. A cute little bunny, and it'd be a bunny in a basket. Really cute. This is available in a 1 inch. How about some owls? Cute Easter owl. Cute Easter owl family. We've got, what do we got here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in the family before the pattern starts to repeat itself. Look at this one here, got the carrot. This one's got a basket with eggs. Basket, and this one's got eggs at her feet. Super cute, super cute. Now this is a 1 inch. Oh, I have it. Actually, I have a, let me see. This, I think, would go super cute with this. What do you think? Yes, I think so. Absolutely. Now the dots, these are a, let me see, let me check, just make sure. This is a 1 inch, the dots, and this is a 1 inch, the owls. All right, go back to some more circles. These are, all of these are super cute for accents to the ribbons. Like I did here, I got this bow that I made, and that's using the accent ribbon and this ribbon. Are these not the cutest? These big old bunnies and their faces poking up over the ribbon with their big floppy ears. So that's what I made with this. Isn't that cute? Now this is 7/8, no, this is 1 inch. This is 1 inch. This is 7/8. And this also has this embossed circles. Okay? There you go. That one. That one. And jelly beans. Oh my gosh. You know, I just love me some jelly beans. But I started keto this last year and I don't eat this kind of stuff anymore. But that doesn't mean I don't love jelly beans. This is available in a 7/8, and it would be a great accent piece with anything, with any of the ribbon. Cute, cute, cute. Hello Kitty. Isn't she adorable? She's got on her little bunny ears. She's all ready for Easter. And this is just a continuous pattern. See that? Really cute continuous pattern, and again that's available in a 1 inch. How about some chevron, some pink chevron? This is a really pretty pink. This will go with so many things, just like this here. You could have put this under there. Use this for the spikes. You could have used that for the spikes or the accent piece. You know, it just, anything would have worked. Anything. This is a 7/8. Really pretty ribbon. Really pretty pink for Easter. There we go. Here's some more 1 inch ribbon with the green, the lime green. Again with the embossed circles, and it is 1 inch. Let's see. Oh, you got to see this. This is. Oh. I saw this. I had to have it. Look at that. Look at those bunnies. With the plaid and the leopard. Or is that cheetah? No, that's cheetah. The plaid and the cheetah. With their little ear flopped over. And their little bunny tails. Isn't that cute? And then I have this accent ribbon to go with it. Yes. Yes, look at that. Perfect. Just a great, unusual Easter ribbon. Perfect, perfect. Love it. Oh, we're stuck here. Okay. Ouch. My tape attacked me. Some more Hello Kitty. She's adorable. She's got her little hat, her little ears on right there. She's got her little egg. Isn't she cute? It's just a continuous pattern. This is 1 inch. Now I have these cute little bottle caps that go with it. Let me get this other one out here. Cute little flatback. I'm sorry, it's a bottle cap. Flatback that you can put with that. Isn't that cute? Now that's available in the store And they come in a pack of 3. So there's 3 to a pack. Just go under Flatbacks and you'll find them under there. And she's got the glittery egg, and her little hair bow is all glittery. Super, super cute. Super cute. Okay. All right, back to some accent pieces. This has got circles and chevrons and lines and stars and just, I mean, all kinds of goodies. And it's got, I believe it was, let's count. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 different patterns in this ribbon before it starts to repeat itself. Really cute accent for Easter. And it's a 1-inch. Okay, we've got some more of the dots. Here, I'm just gonna, we got the purple and we got yellow. Let's see, what else do I got here? I've got green. And these are all 7/8, and they are embossed with the embossed circles, all available in the shop. 7/8. Some more chevron. This is a green, and it's a I want to say it's like a lime green, and then the darker green. Very nice. Cute for Easter. 7/8 pattern. And then, how about some more bunnies? These guys are cute. You got the little floppy ear and the fluffy little tail. And the tails are really, I mean, look at the detail on the tails. They got the little fluff on the tail. Real pretty colors. Got the dot background and pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark purple. Super cute, super cute. Just a continuous pattern. This is available in a 1-inch. Super cute. And let's see. This is going to be the last one for the dots. Now this one is a 1-inch. And again, you have the embossed. But what I like about this is the circles are really decent size. And they're colored. Instead of being white, it just seems like all I see out there is ones with white dots. I love that really pale pink dot. Nice big dot. Okay. Chevron. This is our last chevron ribbon. Really pretty for Easter. Lots of colors. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors in this. Not counting the white background. And that's available in a 1-inch. All right, gals, guys, gals, dolls, kids. This is the last one. This is the last of our Easter ribbon. Now, I've got a ton more Easter ribbon. This is just what I'm going to be showing you today. If you have, you know, specific type of ribbon you're hunting for, or you want to know if I have, go on my website. You could ask. Just comment down below, ask down below, and I'll get back with you. But this one here's 7/8. Now, I do have this in a 5/8, and I do have this in a 1-inch. If you hit the subscribe button, which I ask that you do, down below, and then hit that little bell next to it, every time I do put in a new video, you're going to get notified every time I put in a new video, and I plan on doing them as often as I can. Now, I wanted to comment on this little bottle cap here. I make these. I make the little patterns inside them. And these are on my website. Just go under the category bottle caps. And this is how they're going to come. They're going to come in a package of 3. Now, you pick your pattern. There's all kinds of patterns. I just brought out a few. So you pick your pattern, and you're going to get 3 of that pattern. Okay, you pick your bottle cap color. They're flat on the back, so you could just glue them straight down into your ribbon. But you can pick your color. I think I have like 10 different colors, and they're also available in a rhinestone bottle cap. So you have the option to get either. So you could pick your color and pick your style, and you're going to get 3 of them, and they're all going to be individually wrapped just like this, okay? And those are available in the shop. And then just a couple more things I wanted to show you. These little peeps. These are flatbacks, okay? They're acrylic flatbacks, and I have them in the pink and the lavender. And then don't forget about our cute little our little Easter Hello Kitty with her glitter egg and her glitter hair bow. Right, everybody, if you could do me a favor and hit that subscribe and bell button below, I'd really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.